Hello everyone, in this video I will be talking about the AI tools that I use personally for my architectural and interior design projects. Here on this list I have about 6 of them that I personally use. I noticed that there are a lot of AI tools right now on the internet. Personally, these are just the ones I think if you stick with, you can integrate it into your workflow, whether you are an architect, an interior designer, or even an artist. Yeah, you can integrate these AI tools into your workflow and they would make your work a lot easier. They would increase your productivity tenfold, also increase your creativity tenfold. So I'll be going through them one by one. I would focus on concept creation, concept generation, and I'll talk extensively on the first 3. Yeah, because the last 4, I think there are a lot of tutorials online about them. I've done a lot of tutorials on Leonardo AI already, and I've also done a lot of tutorials on ChatGPT and Dall E. Midjourney has a learning curve that I haven't delved into. To be honest, to be quite honest, I haven't delved into the learning curve of Midjourney, but I will talk about the first 3 extensively and I will show you how I use them in my own personal projects. So the first on the list is mnml.ai. Now, I'll take you to, this is how the site looks like. The website is mnml.ai. That's the website. It's very good. I think all architects and interior designers should use this. They have, you can upload exterior images, you can upload interior images, you can generate even master plan images. AI can even help you convert sketch to image. So I'll just show you an example that I did here. So you see this is an elevation of a building that I worked on. So I uploaded it on mnml and the AI gave me this. So see the difference. See this to this. Another image is this. This is a 3D of the same building. Then the AI gave me this, and it does it under 1 or 2 minutes. This is another view of the same building, and it gave me this. This is an aerial view of the same building from Revit architecture, and it gave me this. So it's a tool that I think every architect should use. It speeds up the process of generating concept images, especially when you're in the preliminary design stage. So I'll just do a small tutorial, a fast tutorial here on how to do it. So this is the image we will be using. So this image. So this is a 3D of a modern residential building from Revit. So I would upload it on this AI tool for it to generate a rendition for me. So in this kind of scenario, you can use it maybe when you want to discuss with your clients, you want to have a quick presentation to show them the design. So this is how it is. Now I went on the exterior AI. This is because it's an exterior AI we want to generate, exterior rendition we want to create. So I always use, if you use precise, it is very strict on not being too creative. If you use balanced, it's in the middle. Then if you use creative, it goes haywire. It could alter the building style and everything. So let's use balanced. So I'll just drag and drop this here. Then put in a prompt. That's very important. So the prompt I will put in is, so this is the prompt I'm putting: exterior view of a white themed modern residential building. The environment is surrounded by trees and lush greenery. So something simple, and let's see what it comes up with. So if you scroll down, you can reduce the tolerance of the AI enhancer. So I always just leave it with as the default. You can see here it says works better with creative mode. So you can change the styles, either realistic, CGI, night, snow. So they're different. So let's just leave it on realistic. Everything is the default mode. So I would click generate. So it's generating right now. Okay, so this is what it came up with. You can see it's rendered. It even added some form of interior elements to it, some lighting inside the interior. It's not perfect. It's not some architectural elements have changed. For example, it's introduced some form of parapet wall finish here that's different from here, but it maintains the white theme. It's put some form of environment and everything. So if we're going to compare it to the sketch, you can see how this compares with this sketch, and this is just under 1 minute. So let's try a different prompt. Let's use the same image, put it on balance, but this time let's remove from the prompt, let's say exterior view of a modern residential building. Then we would use night style, and let's see how it comes up with. So let's hit generate. So this is how the night scene looks like. Let's compare with the sketch. So you see from here, a Revit 3D sketch. This is what the AI gave us. So it's a quick way to work on your concept images. It's not perfect. Honestly, I would say it's not perfect, but it's something that you can quickly use to make a presentation and explore your ideas. Okay, so before we go to the next one, let's just try the creative mode. So I'll just put it on creative. I'll just add lots of lights. Yeah, I'll just add lots of lights there. Then I'll still leave it on night, and let's see what it comes up with. I want us to compare the balanced and the creative. So let's generate. Okay, so this is what the creative mode gave us. It's totally different. So that's one thing about using the creative mode of this tool to generate images. So if we compare this with the sketch, this is what we fed the AI. This is what it gave us. So I would advise to always try and stick with balanced, and I think that works better. So let's just see how precise would look like, and still using the same prompt. Exterior view of a modern residential building. The environment is surrounded by trees and lush greenery, lots of lights. Let's leave it on night, and let's see how it comes up with. So we'll be able to compare the 3 modes together. So this is precise. I think I prefer precise to balanced. When I notice that precise maintains the architectural style of the building. So if we're going to compare the Revit model with the precise, you see how it's more accurate. So if you want to change the color, you put it in your prompt in terms of the kind of style, the color of the building, the ornaments that you want there. So if you compare, this is precise, this is or precise, this is balanced, this is the daytime, this is the balanced mode, this is precise mode. So you can see, you can compare them with each other. So this is a tool that I use, mnml AI. It's very good for we architects. Like I said, they have different modes that you can explore. So you can also do interior. Let's try some interiors. So still on balance. So we'll just upload some images. Let's upload this sketch that I have here. So let's upload this sketch. So you upload. Let's use precise. this time around. So room type, it's a living room. Room style, warm and cozy. You just say modern. Let's just say modern interior scene. So you can also furnish, if it's an empty space, you can furnish it, you can enable it, you can make it full or partial. It's flexible. But remember, what we are uploading is an image that is already furnished. So we don't need to click that. So we'll just leave this as it is. Put it on realistic. Let's put night. I think night kind of looks, so we can see if the lighting. So let's generate and see how it comes. What the interior rendering looks like. And I must say it looks impressive. This is something I can take to a client and make a presentation with. So if we let's compare it with the sketch. So this is the sketch. This is the rendering. So you see how quick this is. This is just within 1 minute. See the coffee tables rendered. Look at the couch rendered, even with the pillow rendered. See the drapes here, ceiling to floor drapes rendered. Even the details of the windows, the high level windows are also rendered. Even the shelving is rendered, plus the various ornaments on the shelf. What's even the dining table set that's in the distance that you would think it would not notice is also rendered. So this is a quick way to render, especially interior images. You could just sketch an interior, upload it, generate an image, use it for your presentation or use it for your design planning and integrate it into your workflow. So that's one AI tool I use very well. So another one I use is Prome AI. So I'll just take you to the website. It's this. It's promeai.pro. So that's the website, promeai.pro. So it's also similar to mnml, but mnml is more geared towards architects and interior designers. So this is like a fusion of Leonardo AI and mnml. So you can also use it for character generation and concept image generation. So let's look at the sketch rendering. So similar to the last one, we would upload the same sketch here. So let me see if I can I'll just drag and drop it here. So we'll upload this same sketch of this building. That's this. So we'll upload it here. So that we've uploaded it. Now you're gonna work on the options. So you can choose the style, realistic, natural, cinematic, commercial. So I'll leave it on realistic. You can choose the scene. So I'll leave it on architecture. I'll click architecture. I'll click a residential building mode. I'll just leave it on outline. You can use a reference if you have like a reference style that you want to use. So I'll just leave all that free. So I'll just let's copy the same prompts that we used here. So I'll copy this same prompt that I used here, then paste it here. So this is the prompt we're using. Exterior view of a modern residential building. The environment is surrounded by trees and lush greenery, lots of light. Okay, let's say night scene. Okay, so let's generate and let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so this is what it came up with. It's so Prome AI generates about 3 images per generation. So you can see this. I think I like this one. Let's click it. So you can see, compare with the original sketch that we gave the AI. See this. I think this is even better than what we had with mnml because it's very detailed, very clean. It maintains the architecture, maintains the design. I like the fact that it's lit up the interior of the building, so you can do things like upscale to make it HD. You can also create image to video if you want to create like an animation. So there's a lot of flexibility to it, to this tool, and this is a very good tool for architects. So you compare this with this with this. So compare this with this. So I think I prefer this. So that's also a tool I think architects should use. I use it especially at the concept design stage. So another tool is Claude AI. Now, Claude AI is for word generation. It's not something where you use to generate sketches or concept images. So I use it to for example, let me just give an example. The free ChatGPT, you cannot upload documents. So you cannot use the free ChatGPT to upload documents to review your documents. So Claude does that. So you can upload document here, although there's a limit. You have to pay if you want to upload documents with a lot of content. So you can upload documents here. You can use it to review documents. So I usually use it to review some of my documents, especially when I'm working with client briefs or documents that I need to summarize. So I use Claude AI a lot. So let me just show you something that I recently found out that it can do. So for example, now this is a layout. I'll just open it here. This is a site layout. Now, this site layout has been cut out in different site sizes with different we have different plot sizes of 670 square meters, plot size of 350 square meters, plot sizes of 600 square meters, 900 square meters. So instead of me counting all this one by one and giving it and putting it in like a tabular format, okay, 350 square meters, we have so number. Instead of doing it manually, I can upload it onto Claude AI and ask it to review the document and give me a detailed inventory of the various plot sizes and their quantities. So I'll just show you, I'll just do that quickly here. So this is Claude AI. Like I said, it's very good for reviewing documents. So I'll just drag this into here. So it's I've dragged that site, that layout. So I'll just say I have uploaded a document I want you to review. It's a master plan layout with different plot sizes. So let's send that and let's see what it comes up with. So I'm not asking it to give me a detailed update. I'm just telling it to review that document. So this is what it has come up with. I have reviewed the document you provided, which appears to be a layout plan with various plot sizes indicated in square meters. The layout includes residential plots of different plot sizes. So you can see it has highlighted the various plot sizes, even put etc because there are a lot more plot sizes there. It has put the parks there, that put the administrative area. It has even named all the streets here. So now this is something I can say. I can now tell it to give me in a tabular format all the various plot sizes and their quantities. So let's do that. So awesome. Now give me a table showing the various plot sizes and their respective quantities. So I'm saying that it should give me a table showing the various plot sizes and their respective quantities. So see, it has done this. So instead of me counting manually, I can use Claude AI to do this. So another thing I just want to note that AI can make mistakes. So whenever you do this exercises with AI, especially when it comes with your work, always review the results that they give. So Claude AI is good if you want to upload documents. Sometimes I upload Excel spreadsheets and I'm looking for certain information, or I want to review some data in Excel spreadsheet. So it's very good to use. Like I said, you need to pay for the smarter model, and you need to pay if you want to upload documents that have a lot of content. So that's it for Claude AI. Another tool I use is Leonardo AI. Now, I've done a lot of tutorial on Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is good. They give you 150 credit units every day. So you don't need to pay if you want to create just basic images that you want to use to present to your clients, or you want to use in your office, or you want to use it to just pass through like a thought process or an idea. So Leonardo AI, I have a lot of tutorials that I've done on that. It's good for architects and interior designers. I use it to generate images. I use to generate interior images, as you've seen here, even facades for buildings, concepts for light designs, parametric exterior facades. I use it for storytelling. So it's good for interior designers, for architects, and the likes. Then on the next on the list is ChatGPT and Dall E. I think there's a lot of tutorial on this, but I think every architect and interior designer should integrate ChatGPT and Dall E, at least ChatGPT, the free version, into their workflow. Like I said before, Claude AI is good if you want to upload and you're not paying for the ChatGPT 4. So you can use Claude AI so you can upload documents if you want to go through data analysis and you want to review documents. Then the last on the list is Midjourney AI. So like I said, I'm not going through all of that. I'm just going through the first three. So these are the AI tools that I use personally, and I think all architects should embrace AI going forward. I think the architectural landscape will change as a result of AI. I think the number of architects that you see in architectural firms would shrink, because now you would have an architect that can do a lot of things as a result of AI. You would see architects that can do concept generation, detailed drawings, data analysis, presentation review, bills of quantities, just because of AI. So AI has kind of increased our productivity. It has increased our creativity. So let me know in the comments what other AI applications you use in your workflow. And if you want me to review any other AI application, let me know in the comments. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.